Hello students, today's topic is animal cell and the plant cell. As I've told you earlier that all the living things are made up of cell, and cell is the smallest part of the living thing that can carry out all the life activities. So cells are divided into two groups, that is the animal cell and the plant cell. So here is a picture in which you can see an animal cell and the plant cell. Both the animal cells and the plant cells, they have some features in common. That is, both the cells, they are surrounded by a thick layer that is called cell membrane. Second thing which is common is the cytoplasm. And the third thing which is common is the nucleus. We will discuss about the cell membrane. Cell membrane, it is the outermost layer, or it is the outermost membrane of the cell which controls what goes into and out of the cell. Means that nothing can comes or goes out of the cell without the permission of the cell membrane. Then you can see the second thing is the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm, it is a jelly-like substance which is present in both the animal and the plant cells, and it contains many small structures, and these small structures which are present in the cytoplasm, they are called as organelles. And there are different organelles, as you can see, and each organelle has its own particular function. The third structure which is common, it is called the nucleus. It is the most important part of the cell because it controls all of the activities of the cell. Therefore, the nucleus is called the control center of the cell. There is a thin layer in this picture. You can see the diagram of the nucleus. The nucleus is surrounded by a thin layer called the nuclear membrane. And inside it, there are many thread-like structures which are called as chromosomes, which are present in the nucleus. And the chromosomes, they pass on the characteristics of the cell to the new cell. Every species has fixed number of chromosomes. For example, human has 46 number of chromosomes. Let's discuss the structure of the animal cell. As you can see in this diagram, the outermost membrane of the animal cell, it is called the cell membrane. Then the second labeled structure, it is called the small vacuole. And then there is a jelly-like material which is present inside the cell membrane. It is called the cytoplasm. And inside the cytoplasm, there is a dark oval shaped structure which is labeled as nucleus, which I have told you it controls all the activities which are taking place within the cell, and it contains the genetic material. And then the last structure which you can see here, it is called the mitochondria. Here you can see a diagram of the plant cell. In the plant cell, there is another membrane which is outside the cell membrane, and it is called the cell wall, and it is made up of cellulose. Then comes second membrane which is called the cell membrane. Then you can see the whitish area, it is called the vacuole. The vacuole is very much bigger in size in the plant cell as compared to the animal cell. Then these green color oval shaped structures, they are labeled as chloroplast. They are the cell organelles. The chloroplast contain green color pigment which is called chlorophyll, and the function of the chloroplast is to trap the sunlight and use its energy to make the food for the plant by the process of photosynthesis. Then you can see the label part, that is the cytoplasm. It is a jelly-like substance which I have told you earlier, which is present in both the animal and the plant cells, and it contains different organelles. Then you can see the last labeled part, that is called the nucleus. It controls all the activities of the cells, and it is responsible for the cell division. Now you have come to know the basic similarities between the animal and the plant cell. The similar structures which are present are cell membrane, cytoplasm, and nucleus. And in detail, I have already described the detailed structure of the animal cell and the plant cell. So now the last topic which is left for the animal and the plant cell, I will tell you, is the differences between the animal cell and the plant cell. Here in this chart, you can see there are some differences between the animal cell and the plant cell. Cell wall is present in the plant cell, but in animal cells it is absent. Nucleus lies near the side of the cell wall because of the large vacuole in the plant cell. Nucleus lies almost in the center of the cell. There are many vacuoles which are present in the animal cell, but as you can see in the plant cell, there is a single large vacuole. Then the most important part which the animal cell lacks is the absence of the chloroplast. But the plant cell has chloroplast. The fifth and the last important structure is the centriole. It is absent in the plant cell and present in the animal cell. So that's all about the similarities and the differences between the animal cell and the plant cell. Hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe it.